Night, mostly cloudy. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Pulaski County, Illinois, southeastern Alexander County, Illinois, west central Ballard County, Kentucky, northern Mississippi County, Missouri, Scott County, Missouri, northeastern Stoddard County, Missouri, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:56 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Bell City, or 8 miles southwest of Orion, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and hail up to 3 inches in diameter. A tornado has been confirmed by trained spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Sikeston, Orion, Minor, Morley, and Haywood City around 4 p.m. Benton and Bertrand around 4:05 p.m. Charleston around 4:10 p.m. Caro and Wyatt around 4:20 p.m. Mount and Mound City around 4:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lambert, Wilson City, Vangezer, Dealstadt, and Blodgett. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 9. Interstate 57 in Missouri between mile markers 3 and 21. Interstate 55 between mile markers 68 and 83. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or the National Weather Service